Here we have the 9-inch Flexi-Frame from Hyde Tools. Now first off, this thing is lightweight. It has high quality plastic and aluminum construction here, but without the roller cover on, it weighs just half a pound, or about 225 grams. The Flexi-Frame has a textured handle for added grip, and this bucket hook here at the top of the handle allows you to rest it on the edge of a bucket or tray without it falling into the paint. It's also got a threaded bottom for attaching to any standard Acme extension pole. But the best thing about this frame is how it attaches to your roller. It has 2 attachment points, one on each side, and you simply bend the arms and attach to your roller. Now this design has a few benefits. Number one, with a traditional roller frame, you get what's called walk-off. And this is while you're painting a wall or ceiling, the cover starts to walk off of the cage. Then you gotta bang it back on, makes a big mess. We've all been there. The second benefit, both sides of the Flexi-Frame have a very slim connector arm. That leaves about 1/2 inch of space. So with the Flexi-Frame, you can paint right up against an opposite wall or ceiling without worrying about accidentally getting paint on the other side. And because you can get so close, you don't have to make your cut-ins as wide, saving you time. Lastly, at the end of the day, you can remove the roller that's covered in paint without actually having to touch it. Now, here's a quick tip. You can wrap your used roller in plastic and keep it on deck for up to a week if maybe you missed a few spots on your wall or you need to do some touch-ups. The Flexi-Frame is also available in a bigger 18-inch version. Now, this is of course to help you get big jobs done much quicker, but the 18-inch has one added feature, which is that it can be kept at a 0-degree angle for painting your walls, but when it's time to paint floors or ceilings, you can loosen this knob here and create a 30-degree angle. Tighten that knob back up, and now you're gonna have much less fatigue when painting floors or ceilings. The other difference is that the 18-inch does not have a handle, so you're gonna need to attach it to an Acme threaded extension pole right here. Thank you as always for choosing Hyde Tools. If you have any questions about this tool, go ahead and leave them in the comments below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.